You wake up on your 30th birthday with a strange feeling in your chest. Not fear, not excitement, just one question that refuses to leave your mind. What if I'm already too late? You open your phone and scroll through social media. One person became a millionaire through crypto. Another claims they retired at 35. Someone else says they started investing at 18 and now their portfolio is worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. You sigh and whisper, I should have started years ago. For a moment, you almost close the investing app you downloaded weeks ago. What's the point of starting now? Then you notice an article with a simple headline. The best time to start was years ago. The second best time is today. Those words hit harder than you expected. Instead of overthinking, you make a decision. You transfer your first $100 into your investment account. It doesn't feel life-changing. In fact, it feels almost disappointing. How could just $100 ever become real wealth? But something has changed. For the first time, you're no longer just dreaming about your future. You're building it. The next month, you invest another $100. Then, another. And another. Soon, investing becomes as normal as paying your electricity bill. Some friends laugh. Only $100? You'll never get rich like that. For a second, doubt creeps back into your mind. Maybe they're right. Maybe small investments don't matter. But instead of listening to opinions, you look at history. You discover that the biggest fortunes weren't built overnight. They were built through consistency, day after day, month after month, year after year. You stop chasing shortcuts. You stop searching for the next stock that's supposed to double overnight. Instead, you buy shares in strong companies and broad market index funds. It's not exciting. It's not flashy, but it's reliable. A year passes. Your portfolio isn't massive, but something surprising has happened. Your investments have earned money all by themselves. Not because you worked extra hours, not because you started another side hustle, but because your money finally has a job too. That realization changes everything. Instead of spending every raise at work, you increase your monthly investments. Every bonus goes into your portfolio. Tax refunds? Invested. Unexpected cash gifts? Invested. Slowly, your lifestyle improves, but your investments grow even faster. At 35, some of your friends are still waiting for the perfect time to invest. They're waiting for the market to crash. They're waiting until they earn more money. They're waiting until life feels less expensive. You realize something. Waiting has become their investment strategy. Yours is taking action. Every month, your portfolio grows. Some months, the market falls. The headlines scream about recession. Experts on television predict disaster. Many investors panic and sell everything. You feel nervous too. Watching your portfolio lose value isn't easy. Then you remember why you started. You're investing for decades, not for next week. So instead of selling, you buy more. Those discounted prices become opportunities instead of reasons to panic. By 40, the results become impossible to ignore. Your investments are growing faster than your monthly contributions. Compound growth has quietly taken over. The money your investments earned is now earning even more money. It's like planting a tree years ago. At first, it barely grows, but eventually, the shade becomes impossible to miss. People suddenly ask you for advice. What's your secret? You smile. There wasn't one. You simply started. Looking back, you realize your biggest mistake wasn't starting at 30.
It was believing 30 was too late. You think about the version of yourself who almost gave up before even beginning. You wish you could tell that person something. 10 years will pass whether you invest or not. The only question is what you'll have when those 10 years are gone. A growing portfolio or another decade of excuses. You smile as you make this month's investment. Just another ordinary deposit. Just another step toward financial freedom. Because wealth isn't built by finding the perfect age. It's built by refusing to wait any longer. And today, you're grateful you finally gave your future a chance.